This is something I highly recommend for every kayaker, surfer, or anyone that's just involved in water sports in general. You know, it's like whether I'm going on the coast and surf kayaking. I did take a coastal trip and did some surf kayaking. I was wearing these SurfEars while I was doing that. Or if I'm slicey boating in the icy waters, the snowmelt of Colorado, I'm going to be wearing my SurfEars. Or just creeking and splatting using a half slice here in the southeast in the wintertime when the water's cold, I'm going to have my SurfEars in. So this is something I recommend for every kayaker. And what I want to do, I just kind of want to do a quick video and show y'all exactly what these things were all about and show you what you get when you order a pair. Number one, they come wrapped in this little like wrapping right here. You know, SurfEars, these are the 3.0. I guess there's two other versions out there because this is the 3.0, so whatever that means. And let sound in, keep water out. That's their motto. And on the back, when you open it up, it kind of shows you everything you get with it. You get the wings, you get a large, a small. The gels go from extra small to large, a neck leash, and a case. And you can kind of see how it works right there. And you know what? If anybody doesn't know, I will tell y'all, we don't need these anymore. If anybody doesn't know, I'll tell you why you want to have a set of earplugs when it's cold or keeping water out of your ears, especially in hydraulics or surfing. What happens to kayakers and surfers, something called surfer's ear, where there's a bony protrusion starts developing inside the ear canal, and it'll eventually have hearing loss, which I've lost a lot of hearing already because of the years that I haven't been using it, but I highly recommend using a pair of these, and I'm trying to do what I can now to stop it or slow it down. And let me just show you what comes in the package here. Number one, you get this awesome thing. Those have little magnets. Look at it. You hear that? It's like a little coin purse. What I do, I keep this down inside my life vest. It does have a little carabiner right there that hooks on, and it's fairly tough. Lets the water come out, and it's grippy. This thing feels like some kind of silicone. Very nice. I actually like this package a lot, and I keep them in there. And then right here's your 2 extra wings and your gels. I like how they tied them up right here. But you notice something? You see how they're different colors? I'll always know that left is red and right is blue. And I like that because if they were clear or solid black, how would you tell them apart? You're sitting there and you're fooling around with them. You'll try them in. They don't fit. You're swapping them out and you're trying the other way. But that's awesome that they did that. And this neck leash is fairly strong. I've caught it on my helmet and pulled it. You see that? It don't hurt too bad, but I've pulled it and it's not broken at all. And then I like how everything's labeled. If you look, you see the R that's on that, and then inside in the L that's on this. Actually, let me take them apart here. So there's the gel. Look how easy the gel, and I've been worked in a big hole, and these didn't come off my ears. But number one, I got a helmet on, so it's not going to come out through the helmet anyway. So there's the adjustment there. But let me try to show you exactly what makes these things good. You have a hole that runs through there, and then you got a hole that runs through there, and it looks like there's a little piece of rubber right there, but it's not solid. Listen to this. I can blow in it and it comes around it. So that actually lets sound in but keeping water out. That's pretty cool that that's like that. Keep this video short, but y'all leave in the comments below what type of earplugs you use, or if you use any at all. If nothing else, just use the foam earplugs. I recommend every kayaker, when it's super cold out, start using these. If the Sweet helmet that I use has an ear protection on it, so my ears are covered by that. But if you don't have that, try to use some sort of earplug out there, everybody, because you know what? We got to be able to hear each other out there. I'm already struggling hearing enough. And I tell you what, I will leave links where you can pick up a pair of these below if you're interested in getting some of these. But I recommend the SurfEars over every other earplug out there on the market. Trust me. If nothing else, just put some foam in there. That's all I got today, everybody. I will see you or hear you, hopefully, on the river. See you all in the next video.